Good evening, my name is Erlangga Sudadi. People usually call me Erlangga. Today, I gonna show you how to soldering component correctly and properly. Solder. Solder is a tool that has a heat producing tip that functions to melt tin so that it can be used to glue electronic component. As for how to do good and correct soldering is, first one, prepare the tool that will be used, like this, tin and solder. Then 2, use your right hand to hold solder, then tilt 45 degrees, like this. And then 3, use your left hand to hold tin, like this. But don't be closer so it can burn like this. And next step is 4, place the tip of solder between the leg of the components, like this. Then end profit tin, like this. Because this is not turned on because it's broken, so like this and this. If it is enough, then leave the tin and then the solder. That's all of me. Yeah, but be careful if you use solder because it's so hot and can burn your skin, so be careful. That's all. Thank you very much.